Audi, the hidden signals. Your car sends every day, and what no one ever explains. Episode 1, Part 1. If you own an Audi, or if you have driven an Audi at any point in the last 10 years, there is a high chance you have experienced moments where your Audi felt different without an obvious explanation. Everything inside the Audi interior looks familiar. The Audi cockpit lights up as usual. The Audi MMI screen turns on. The Audi headlights work perfectly, yet the driving experience does not feel exactly the same. Maybe the Audi infotainment feels slower on some days. A warning message appears briefly on the Audi dashboard and then disappears, or certain comfort functions behave inconsistently. When this happens, most Audi owners are told the same thing. It is normal, nothing is wrong, or the car needs to be checked at the workshop. What almost no one explains is that many of these behaviors are not failures. They are signals. Sitting behind the Audi steering wheel, surrounded by the Audi interior, and looking at the Audi displays in front of you, you are inside a vehicle that constantly communicates. Audi designs its cars as integrated systems where electronics, comfort, and driving dynamics work together. The problem is not complexity. The problem is that Audi speaks a technical language that owners are never taught to understand. Instead of clear explanations, drivers are left with simplified warnings on the Audi dashboard that hide what is really happening underneath. One of the most important things to understand is that Audi vehicles, especially those produced over the last decade, are extremely sensitive to electrical conditions. This means that what you see on the Audi MMI screen or feel through the Audi steering wheel is not always related to a broken component. Very often, it is a reaction to voltage fluctuations, an aging battery, or an incomplete system reset after maintenance. From inside the Audi cockpit, everything appears normal. The Audi screens are bright, the Audi headlights are strong, and the car starts without hesitation. Yet the Audi electronics may already be compensating in the background. Many Audi owners describe identical experiences. The start and stop system in their Audi stops working for no clear reason, then starts working again days later. Parking sensors in the Audi behave differently depending on the day. Or driver assistance systems feel less predictable. On the Audi display, nothing seems obviously wrong, and that is precisely why these issues are ignored. Audi systems do not change behavior randomly. Every reaction is tied to a condition, even if the driver never receives a clear explanation. This leads to a crucial truth that is rarely explained in workshops. Reading a fault code from your Audi is not enough. What truly matters is understanding the context of that fault. Audi vehicles distinguish between permanent faults, sporadic events, and historical data. When you see a message on the Audi dashboard, you are only seeing the surface. Behind that message, your Audi has recorded how often the condition occurred, under which circumstances, and whether it resolved itself automatically. Without this understanding, many Audi owners end up replacing parts that are still fully functional. Simply observing your Audi during startup can already provide valuable information. Watching how quickly the Audi cockpit activates, how the Audi MMI system loads, and how the displays stabilize can reveal the health of the electronic environment. Small delays, changes in brightness, or brief system pauses are not random imperfections. They are indicators of how the Audi electronics are managing internal conditions. Audi systems are refined and adaptive, but that also means they react quickly when something moves slightly outside ideal parameters. Another often overlooked aspect involves basic calibrations. Many Audi comfort and safety features rely on reference values that can slowly drift over time. Audi windows that no longer behave consistently, steering that feels subtly different, or assistance systems that respond in unexpected ways are often linked to calibration rather than hardware failure. Inside the Audi interior, everything still looks premium and solid, but the software is no longer perfectly aligned. Audi does not design unreliable vehicles. However, Audi systems are not designed to be ignored. Most frustrations experienced by Audi owners come from multiple small factors interacting, not from one catastrophic defect. Understanding this is the first step toward regaining control and stopping the cycle of confusion and unnecessary expense. Episode 1, Part 2. Now that you understand how your Audi communicates, it is time to move into the practical side. Still seated inside your Audi, surrounded by the Audi interior, with the Audi steering wheel in your hands and the Audi MMI screen active in front of you, the focus shifts to what you can realistically do on your own. No dismantling, no expensive tools, and no blind part replacement. The key is learning how to interpret behavior before assuming failure. Audi vehicles are designed to adapt constantly, and many changes you notice are controlled responses rather than defects. One of the most underestimated factors in any Audi is electrical voltage. Even when your Audi starts normally and the Audi headlights appear bright, a battery that is no longer operating at optimal levels can quietly influence many systems. Looking at the Audi dashboard, you may see no warning lights at all. Behind the scenes, Audi electronics may already be prioritizing stability, reducing comfort features, or altering system behavior. This is why many Audi owners describe their car as inconsistent, even though nothing looks obviously wrong inside the Audi cockpit. Audi systems continuously monitor power supply, communication between control modules, and operating conditions. When a warning appears briefly on the Audi screen and then disappears, it does not mean nothing happened. It means your Audi detected a condition, adapted to it, and continued operating. The problem is that the driver is rarely informed when this adaptation takes place. Over time, these silent adjustments can accumulate and gradually change how your Audi behaves from day to day. By closely observing the Audi MMI system, you can identify important clues. Small delays in menus, occasional audio interruptions, or rare system restarts are often not software defects. In many Audi models, these behaviors are linked to electrical conditions or parameters that need proper resetting. Performing correct resets, instead of random actions, can restore the smooth and predictable behavior your Audi had when it was new. Watching the Audi screen during startup often reveals more than any warning message ever will. Comfort systems inside the Audi interior deserve special attention. Features related to windows, mirrors, steering assistance, and driver aids rely on reference values stored in the system. Over time or after maintenance, these reference points can drift. Audi windows may stop responding consistently, steering may feel slightly heavier or lighter, or assistance systems may react differently. From the Audi cockpit, everything still appears refined, but the software is no longer perfectly synchronized with real-world conditions. Another aspect many Audi owners overlook is the presence of features that already exist, but are limited by configuration. Across many Audi models, including vehicles produced 8 or 10 years ago, certain comfort and display functions are built into the system but remain inactive. Looking at the Audi interior, you might never suspect that these functions are present. Understanding this does not mean enabling everything blindly. It means recognizing what is already part of your Audi and knowing which adjustments are safe and which should be avoided. Audi engineering follows a consistent logic across generations. Whether you drive a recent Audi or an older Audi model, the underlying electronic philosophy remains similar. This consistency is a major advantage for owners who want to understand their vehicles. Every message on the Audi dashboard, every behavior of the Audi MMI system, and every subtle change in driving feel has a specific cause. The challenge is learning to distinguish meaningful signals from normal adaptation. Developing the habit of observation changes your relationship with your Audi. Instead of reacting with concern to every small change, you begin to recognize patterns. You learn when your Audi is simply adapting and when it is signaling that something requires attention. This awareness alone can save significant money by preventing unnecessary repairs and reducing reliance on vague explanations. This is the purpose of this series, not to turn you into a technician, but to make you an informed Audi owner. Someone who understands their vehicle, makes better decisions, and enjoys the Audi driving experience more fully. In the next episode, we will focus on one of the most misunderstood topics in Audi ownership: battery management, correct registration, and why so many Audi vehicles develop confusing problems immediately after a simple battery replacement. Once you understand how your Audi manages energy and communication, these mysteries stop being frustrating. They become logic.